Hey guys, quick little update. My younger son was dumpster diving at work, and they were throwing some stuff out, and he says, "Hey Dad, you want some stuff?" And I said, "Sure." Well, look what he got me. He got me a kick-ass soldering station, way better than my old soldering stick. And here's the most unusual thing. He got me a stereo microscope. Look at this thing. That will help in my watchmaking hobby big time. Yeah, I gotta clean off this table. But that's it. Maybe I'll shoot some video putting some of this to good use. I don't know how I'm gonna show you how to put on second hands. Because this doesn't have a camera mount. I think they make them, but whatever. Anyhow, talk to you later.